Are these all grackless here? Quack. Oh, big guys. Quack. I see you. Quack. Quack. Oh, he's chirping away. You gonna take flight, buddy? Go for it. Oh, he's climbing a tree. He's going for a nice spot. Come on, buddy, go for it. Go for it. Quack. You hear him chirping? Oh, he's chilling out. He's cleaning his face on the branch. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. What are you doing? Go for it, buddy. Go for it. Nah, he's hanging out. He's having a nice time. He's not going nowhere. Very cute. Oh, look how gorgeous. I have always loved. Oh yeah, they got that sign, keep off the ice. Somebody went in their car in this pond not too long ago. She was fine, but it was a little scary. Oh, hear that? They're great mimickers.